All right, we're looking at the triangle. So with your toothpicks, make a triangle. Make a triangle. Okay? Now, once you make the triangle, I'm going to ask you some questions about it, and there are some things that we're going to do. Okay? Now, we all know what edges are? What's an edge? It's the line, right? It's the lines. Okay, good. What is a vertex or vertices? Where two or more lines meet to make a point. Okay? Okay, so this triangle, it has how many edges?
3.
You're going to take your finger and you're going to trace it as we count it. Each side you're going to trace as we count it so that you can see it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to touch each vertices and count them. 1, 2, 3. Everybody understand what we did? Okay. Now, here's another question. Is this triangle a polygon?
Yes.
What makes a polygon? 3 or more sides, or 3 or more lines that are connected, right? Is this a quadrilateral?
No.
Wait, why not? Right, quadrilateral has 4 sides. Good. Okay, take it apart. Next, we're going to make a square. Make a square. Okay, square. Now, we're going to count the edges. Everyone ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to see everybody's finger pointing and touching. The more you see it, the more you do it, the more you hear it, the more you learn it. You're doing all 3 of those right now. So you're going to learn it more by doing this than not doing it. Now, is this a polygon?
Yes.
Okay. Is this a quadrilateral?
Yes.
What is the name of this figure?
Square.
Does a square have parallel lines?
Yes.
How many?
4.
Does it have one pair of parallel lines or 2 pairs? 2 pairs of parallel lines. Good. Now, this is a word we haven't talked about yet. Congruent. Congruent. The word congruent means equal. They're the same. Okay? Does the square have any congruent sides?
Yes.
How many?
4.
4. All 4 sides are equal or congruent. Everybody understands?
Yes.
Take it apart. Next, we're going to make a pentagon. Okay, get the pink. Look at your picture of pentagon that you have on your desk. A pentagon is pretty much like a house. Okay, pretty much like a house. Okay, you gotta be able to see them. Pentagon. Okay, so pentagon. Let's count the edges. Here we go. Trace them with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody understand? Is this a polygon? Is this a quadrilateral? Wait a minute, why not? Right, it has more than 4 sides. Good. Okay. Does this have any parallel lines?
Yes.
How many pairs of parallel lines does this have? 1 pair? 2 pairs? 3 pairs? Point to the lines that you think are parallel. Now, listen. Look up to the lights. Parallel means they're running side by side like this, right? So again, look at your pentagon. How many pairs of lines are parallel? 1. There's only 1 pair of parallel lines. Okay? Everybody understand? Okay? Take it apart. Okay? Let's go to the next one. The next one is a what?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Okay? So you're going to need to add how many toothpicks? Okay? Let's make it. Now, do I care if it's perfect? No, I don't care if it's perfect. Okay? I do not care. Because mine's not going to be perfect either. I think my straws are too big. Here. Okay, here we go. Let's count the edges. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Here we go. With your finger, tracing it.
Yes, sir.
We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? Oh, 6. Okay, 6. All right, let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is this a polygon? Is this a polygon? Look at your definition on your paper of polygon and tell me again, is this a polygon? Oh my, y'all didn't read it. Y'all did not read it. You're embarrassing me in front. All right, so is the hexagon a polygon? Yes. Is the hexagon a quadrilateral? Does the hexagon have any parallel lines? Yes. Good. Okay, take it apart. Next, heptagon. Heptagon. Okay, make your heptagon with your toothpicks. Best you can. That one's going to be a little harder because there's more of them. Again, like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. All right, here we go. Let's count the edges. Everybody ready? Here we go. With your finger, tracing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's count the edges. Pointing at the edges also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 7. What's the name of this object? Heptagon. Is this a polygon? Is this a quadrilateral? Does it have any parallel lines? Yes, good. It does. Yes. Okay. Questions? Okay, take it apart. Let's move to the next one. The next one is what? Octagon. Who can tell me where you maybe have seen an octagon?
Oh, a stop sign.
A stop sign. That's exactly right. A stop sign is an octagon. Okay? So, using your paper, go ahead and make your octagon. Now this one's going to be a little tougher. Just think about a stop sign. Try to think in your head what a stop sign looks like. I know it's hard. I know it's hard. Just try your best. No big deal. Ooh, I think I did it pretty good. I did do pretty good. I got lucky. Okay. The top one should be straight, like this, and the bottom one should be straight like this too. And then the two on the side should also be up and down straight. Okay. Everybody got it?
No. Yes.
Yeah. Up and down. That one, yeah, this one going this way. You need one more. No, you need one more. You need two more. Make this one go that way. Yep. And then that last one there. Okay. All right. Everybody good? All right. Here we go. With your finger, tracing the edges. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is this shape called? Is this a 2D or 3D shape? 2D. Good. Is this a polygon?
Yes.
Yes. Is this a quadrilateral?
No.
Okay. Let's take it apart. Okay. We're not going to do nonagon and decagon. That's too many. Okay. Because I have more fun stuff we're going to do. Okay. So, on your paper, I want you to make a rhombus. A rhombus. With your straw, with your toothpicks. Yes, make a rhombus. All you got to do is look at your paper. Look at your paper. All it is a square leaning to the side. Okay? Now, is the rhombus a polygon?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Yes. Is the rhombus a parallelogram? What does parallelogram mean? Parallelogram means they're all parallel, right? It has all the sides are parallel, so that means that one side is parallel to the other side, right? Okay. So, is this a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes, because the top two lines are parallel to each other, right? And the other two are parallel to each other. Okay? Do they have opposite sides that are congruent?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, good. Congruent means equal or the same. Okay? Everybody understand that?
Yes.
Okay? How many edges?
4.
4. How many vertices?
Four.
4. Okay, take it apart. Make a trapezoid. Now the way you would make a trapezoid, you would have to use 2 toothpicks for the top line. Or the bottom, whichever one, however you want to make it.
Make a what?
Trapezoid. Okay? Trapezoid. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Okay? Trapezoid. Does a trapezoid have any lines that are parallel?
Yes.
Yes. How many pairs? 1. Right, just one pair is parallel. Okay? Questions? Okay? Take your move your toothpicks to the side.